Have you thought about the fascinating world of avian intelligence? Birds exhibit advanced cognitive abilities that redefine our understanding of how intelligence evolves. Birds showcase remarkable feats, like ravens planning for the future or crows using tools. Recent research indicates that birds and mammals may have independently evolved intelligence, revealing a captivating evolutionary enigma. In the past, birds were underestimated because their brains lacked the neocortex tissue associated with advanced cognition in mammals. In the 1960s, neuroanatomist Harvey Cartan made significant discoveries. He found that birds have neural circuits analogous to mammals, particularly in the dorsal ventricular ridge, reshaping how we view avian intelligence. Anatomist Luis Puelas introduced another perspective. By studying embryonic development, he argued that the avian dorsal ridge and mammalian neocortex have similar functions, but evolved independently. Recent studies further support this idea. Researchers utilized advanced techniques like single-cell RNA sequencing to explore brain development in species such as chickens and mice. They discovered that while brain structures appear similar, they are constructed differently, which underlies the independent evolution hypothesis. Flexibility in brain development allows neurons from various embryonic regions to mature into similar types. This adaptive mechanism showcases convergent evolution, where independent lineages develop similar cognitive traits. While intelligence evolution is independent, their shared genetic heritage exists. Using deep learning, researchers identified DNA segments influencing brain development similarly in mice and chickens. This highlights common genetic tools in vertebrate brain evolution, while maintaining diverse pathways to intelligence. These discoveries now challenge the idea of a single design for intelligence. Innovations for intelligence occur through various biological strategies, emphasizing adaptability in complex environments. The convergence of cognitive abilities, despite different structures, highlights nature's ingenious solutions. Understanding independent intelligence evolution can also reshape our approach to developing artificial intelligence. By considering different cognitive architectures like birds, we may discover new AI designs inspired by diverse intelligence systems. Moreover, this profound understanding can enhance our knowledge of life on Earth and guide our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The exploration of avian and mammalian intelligence evolution creates a rich tapestry of cognitive development. So, what surprising forms of intelligence might we discover in the incredible diversity of life? Dive deeper into this topic and share your thoughts below. Like, share and subscribe our channel for further science news.